Welcome to How to TV. I am your host, Mark Helvaleo. And for this video, we want to resolve the problem on how to access my port 80 because I am installed already my Apache server or Nginx server. How come when I'm going to access a certain IP address in a 80 port, how come there's no display? Okay, and the other thing is I cannot access with my HTTP server either. Okay, how is that? So this is the topic that we need to know in our AWS topic. Okay, so we're going to okay. As for now, as you can see, if we're going to connect our instances right now, if you're going to try to connect, yes, we do have connections, but it said he'll fail to connect to your instances. Okay, that's what I'm trying to say to you guys, that we cannot access the HTTPS. Okay, and one thing is, if you want to access by HSS in my terminal, you can see that even though I have a key here, still I cannot access this one. Okay, how is that? Okay, that's why we encountered earlier when we open directly in our instances by connect. Okay, instances, we cannot access this. Okay, and for instances that we need to access the HTTP, there's a problem. If you open this one, I already installed HTTP Nginx, and it always loading. So the solution for this one is very simple. So if you're familiar with a security group, this is what we call that firewall on the AWS. Okay, so if you know how the basic of networking, so you can disable any port. So this also to prevent any attacker to access your server. Okay, so what we're going to do right now, since this is not working right now, we're going to instances of EC2. Okay, so we're going to EC2 since we are here already in an EC2. Here in the right corner, left corner, guys, go to the network and security group and security, and you can click this security group. Okay, since I created an instances, but the default security is I use is default. So if you notice, the inbound don't have any protocol. Okay, that's why we cannot access, but the outbound is already checked that we can access. Okay, so this is the solution, guys. So you can go here in the top of inbound rules. We'll make a simple inbound rules here for us to solve the problem. Okay, since our connections of HTTP is not HSS is not working, so we can enable this one, the port 22, and then we're going to allow any IP address. So if you like or if you want to specifically use only one IP address for your specific workstation, you can type here. Okay, So we can shall we save this one, and let's connect again to our EC2. Okay, let's see if this is working. Then let's try again to connect if this problem is already been resolved. And let's wait. Okay, so here we go. We can access the server. Okay, same it goes if you're going to use here the HSS to our pointing to our inventory of AWS key pair that we are using. If you're going to use this one, so we can directly enter to our server. Okay, how about this one? Still it's not working, right? So we can go back again to the instances, and like I said, go again to the network and security group, and click the default group. Okay, and the inbound rules we need to add, what we need to add is the protocol of HTTP. Okay, or you can also, if you're using HTTPS, the secure hypertext protocol secure, you can use that, okay, to access the secure HTTPS. Okay, let's allow again 00 for our accessing the HTTP. Okay, and again if we're going to reload this one, okay, it should be connected, or else let's go back to the EC2 and go to this running instances for server Ubuntu, and then let's connect this one. Okay, if it's not still working, let's check again the security group. Let's go to default, and what did we put here? HTTPS 8080. Okay, or we can going to allow all for we're going to allow all traffic. You give it a let's check if this is correct. Okay. Private, this one. There you go. So it allows us to connect our Nginx. Okay, it resolved. But of course, in the public, we can use that for only an example. But we can specifically again go to our network, and then for default, we need to again go back to HTTP, and then 80. Okay, and say boom. Okay, okay, still the same. Okay, so I hope that this tutorial is very helpful to you guys, and I'll see you in the next problem that we need to solve. Thank you again, and God bless.